Hey you guys, it's me, Tiff the Gift, and I am back with another YouTube video for you guys. And here, as you can see, this is my sister. Her name is Honeybee Sanders on IG. You can follow her. I'll put her information below. She's a model. She does it all. But yeah, we're doing a reinstall on her. And right now, as you can see me, I am using some alcohol to clean her hairline and loosen up that glue so we can take this wig off and give her a little wash. Okay, you guys, so now I'm able to slide this wig on off after the alcohol ate out that glue. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to show you guys how I get the glue off my lace wigs. I like to rub it off with a dry rag. You can put a little bit of alcohol or sea breeze or whatever you use, and I do that sometimes, but sometimes I just get a dry towel and rub in one direction going towards the lace, the edge of the lace, and just rub all that glue off. Just rub until it comes off, and it comes off very easily. So after getting all the rest of the residue off the wig, I like to go to the bowl and deal with my client. I will wash her hair. I take her braids down, combed her through, and then I washed her hair and to get that glue up, any residue, and I conditioned her. So then after that, or before, whatever works for you, I go in and wash the wig. I didn't have to actually wash the whole wig. I just washed the lace, and I just get the lace really good for any areas that it might have been missed. I didn't really miss any areas, but sometimes it could be some build up inside the lace, the little holes, because there is little tiny holes in the lace that could contain glue, and I like to get that as well. So I'm very thorough with this part. As you can see, I'm very serious about this part. And then I go in ahead and rinse out the wig, as you can see the next clip. So as I rinse the wig out, I do not show this, but I do not shampoo the whole wig. I usually just rinse and rinse and rinse and wring out and rinse, and just do a co-wash, because it makes the wig last a lot longer. And when you do co-washes on the wig, so that way it won't dry out and it won't be damaged, and you just preserve the wig. You can shampoo if there's a lot of buildup, but I don't, because this wig did not have a lot of buildup. So I just washed the lace part and then conditioned and rinsed out. So now she's all fresh and clean. So I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry her hair out. And I would just like to mention this. I don't know if I mentioned in the beginning that she wore a lot of wigs with combs in it. The little half wigs from the beauty supply. So her hairline did get thin from that. She did not get any thinning from wearing lace front wigs or full lace wigs. Her hairline has got a lot better, and it's a progress for her. And yeah, so just watch this video. You guys watch me just braid her up and to see how I'd like to do my braids. And another thing is I like to slick back the baby hairs as I braid, especially for people that have those little short hairs, the little baby hairs in the front. I like to use the Got To Be gel to slick those back as I braid, so when they do dry, it'll be molded and you don't have to worry about any flyaways getting in the way of your install. So you guys, this is very important, is to take care of your client's hair in between installs. So I like to use Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops just to oil her scalp, and also help with any thinning areas that she has, or any if you don't have thinning areas. This is just to prevent any thinning, just preventing and also helping you out. So yeah, this is what I like to do. So just keep watching the video, and I'll come and talk when I need to. So just enjoy the video, you guys. Y'all, she is just so freaking silly. I love her though. So right now I'm just gonna cut those ears out. I do this in all my installs, just so I could get those sideburns nice and flat and mold it down when it's time to cut. And we're going to use some Got To Be gel for her hairline to secure the cap. I usually use freeze spray, but I decided that, well, I didn't decide nothing. I couldn't find it, okay? I couldn't find no freeze spray, so I'm just using the Got To Be gel, and we're going to set her under the dryer for about 15 minutes. So now that she's out of the dryer, I like to get a needle and thread and secure her stocking cap down from ear to ear. And also after, I like to cut the excess stocking cap off. And I usually have freeze spray to lay the areas that lifted, the stocking cap that lifted. But I didn't. So what I ended up doing is putting makeup on there, and I used the roll hole to lay down the stocking cap a little bit more. So you can see me do that, and as you watch the video, just if you see something that I'm not explaining to you, please go and comment down below, and I will definitely explain to you, or I'll put in the next video exactly what I'm doing in more detail. So now I'm just applying her bold hold active, and I have it in my sliding applicator. I like to put about 3 to 4 thin layers of bold hold. And what's important for me in my installs, I do it differently with each client, but because I am heavy-handed, so sometimes I have to like thin out the areas if I put too much, and if I seem like a white area that is like taking a little longer to dry or turn clear, I like to use my finger, a clean finger that you clean with alcohol, and kind of get those areas that are like half still white, because that means it's too much glue. So that's what I like to smear that out a little bit. So just enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you guys are liking what I have so far. Please go like and subscribe if you are not. And also go watch my other videos as well that show different looks. I have colorful wigs, I have a curly one, I have rainbow wigs. So yeah, just go ahead and just enjoy the slade. And we are done, you guys. Like, just look at this install. Like, doesn't it look like a sew-in or a silk press? She's giving me good vibes. But you guys, thanks for watching my channel. This wig is from my wig collection, Gifted Wigs. This is a 26-inch lace front wig. It's 150% density. And yeah, just get into this wig. And if you guys want a wig just like this, I'm having a fall sale. And you can get the promo code. If you go to the website, it will ask you for your email, and you will get sent a promo code to get 20% off on all my wigs. That's including 613, lace front, full lace, all that. So yeah, go ahead and follow me on IG, you guys. Bye.